Hi folks, in this chapter I will discuss four setting options: the Wi-Fi setup, time settings, captions, and menu languages. So Wi-Fi setup, you go into it. The thing to remember is that to exit Wi-Fi setup, you have to use this back arrow key found on your remote. Which is the key at the bottom right of the remote. And so now we go in and I have three Wi-Fi networks. I can pick one, and for example, I go into this network and it asks for a password. I'm not going to type it, but you can see the keyboard comes up and I can just go and after I select my password, I can enter the check mark. I can go to enter. I can go to uppercase. I can go to numbers, special characters, and hit enter. And I can hit exit to exit the keyboard. Now, I can also go to other options. I can add a network manually. I can check my Ethernet, whether it's connected. I can go to IP settings and I can use a static IP address. And if you want to use a static IP address, go to our FAQ section on the website, and we actually have a description of how to use a static IP address. Most people will not use this. And I hit exit, and I can get out of the Wi-Fi setup. Now, let's go back in, settings, time settings. Again, to exit this menu, you have to once again use the back arrow key. We advise strongly that you leave the automatic date and time on and not, so let the box connect to the network, find a time server and get the time from the network and not enter it manually. If the time is entered manually or is incorrect for some reason, certain ATSC3 channels may not work. And then you can set your time zone. I'm in Pacific time zone, but this is standard Android and all the time zones of the world are in here. So you should not have any problem in picking a time zone that works for you. So I'm just going to go back and stay on Pacific time. You can switch to a 24-hour clock, but most people won't use that. I'm going to exit from here. Captions, we have closed captions on or off, and these are all mandatory styles you can use. These different caption styles are mandated by the FCC, and they have to be implemented. And for example, right now the captions are default. I can go to large captions, and then I can go turn my captions on, and let's see if they, oh, there you get super large captions on the background. And if I change it to default, they become a little smaller. I can make it small and they get really small. So I like them large, I'll leave them large. You can change the color of the captions. So let's make them red for a change and see if that works. They went away, did not work. Oh, there they are. They turned red. I don't like it. I'll change back to default. You can change the opacity of the text. You can change the background color. Let's see if it works. There, green. I don't like it. And default. Edge effects, edge colors. So it's all in here and can be used. And finally, I will go back to, by the way, you can also go out, press the Zap menu, and you can turn the captions off from this Zap menu. We call it the quick menu or the Zap menu. And go back to menu, settings. Last section for this this tutorial chapter, I can change all my menus to Spanish or to French, and no surprises there. And that's the end of this tutorial chapter. Thank you for watching.